Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Ford key fob battery used for different years, different models, 2011 until 17 Fiesta, C-Max, Focus as well, and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. We will need a small screwdriver, small flathead. Okay, so first we have to take this cover at the back. We have to press these two, 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 from both sides of the key, and then it comes up, as you can see. Okay, once again we press and it comes up. If it needs a little help, you can use the screwdriver, but basically this is the way to take the cover off. Now we have to take the emergency key off, once again with the screwdriver. And now we have to take this cover, okay? So the way we do it, I take the flathead and just right here, maybe you can see it better this way. Right here, I stick all the way, okay, till the end. And I turn clockwise. Now look what happens. You see? Comes up right here. And now you take the small flathead again and you just help it a little bit. Right here, around the sides, clockwise, clockwise, okay? And then it comes off, sorry. If this comes off, this part, it's very easy. This is where the chip is. Try not to touch it, but if it happens, that's okay. So we have to put it back just like that. Here is the battery, face down. Take it off, as I said, CR2032, right here, now you can see. This is a good battery, so I'll put it back in. I slide the battery, and here we go again. Once again, right here. Slide it back in. Now, as you can see, there is a small two holes right here, goes in there, and this one goes right here. Okay, let me show you a closer look. So we just have to put it like this. And too tight. Now we have to put the emergency key back, just like that. And of course, the cover. And that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you're seeing. Thank you.